Let's try out the WalkingPad X21 double-fold treadmill. The built-in display panel on the handrail will show your time, speed, distance, and estimated calories burned. When paired to the KS Fit app, you can see even more metrics on your phone. Pop it into the phone holder here to view as you run. Press the dial for about 3 seconds to start the running belt slowly. Spin clockwise to speed up and counterclockwise to slow down, from 1 to 7.4 miles per hour. A fast rotation of the dial changes the speed at greater intervals. The treadmill has a brushless motor which operates quietly even as you increase your speed. You can give the dial a short press to pause the workout for up to 3 minutes. Pressing it again will resume your workout and start the running belt back up at the minimum speed that is set in the KS Fit app. When paused, press the dial for about 2 seconds to reset for a new workout. The handrail values will reset to 0. When you're all done, make sure to turn off the power switch in the back and unplug the treadmill. Then, you can fold it up and store it away using the wheels to roll it.